Alright, I'm making my French toast pancakes just like yesterday. This time, I'm not putting any fruit. I'm just gonna do straight up pancake batter. And that's it. It's morning, I'm barely functioning, but I'm making it. Egg whites. Alright, new egg whites. Good thing I bought some more. Don't be afraid of using egg whites. This one is actually relatively new. September 20. Okay. I try to go by expiration date here. I grabbed the one with the earlier expiration dates and I use that. Okay, 125 calories worth of that. The bread. Finally getting down to this bread. So this is a very easy pancake recipe because you don't really need flour and stuff like that. Just use regular store-bought bread. Trying to get to the opposite end here. Trying to get this end piece in there. Let me tear this up a little bit. Yeah, almost. Tear a tiny piece. There we go. Stevia time. Oops. Stevia time. Let's do it. Man, I need my coffee. My coffee is ready. Coffee is ready for consumption. I'm very excited about that. In fact, I'm going to press it down. So I use French press. Okay, cinnamon. I think I gotta open the big cinnamon. Yeah. Let's open the big cinnamon here. Freshness seal, yeah, fresh. Jesus, it's fresh, all right. Stop it, stop it. Touching the thing. I'm gonna use the big holes here. Add the cinnamon quickly. Nice. All right, that's pretty nice. And vanilla extract. Vanilla flavor, whatever. Vanilla flavor, whatever. You use almond, mint, rum, whatever you want to use. It's all up to you. This is just what I do, and sometimes I even change it up to do that, which does sound like a good idea. I think I might actually do that for one of these days. One of these days I'll just change up and put a different flavor in there. See how it comes out. I just haven't opened it. Any of the other ones that I do have. There we go. Very tiny amount of that. Xanthan gum. And then that is it. That's 306 calories mix. 306. That makes for a good breakfast. Now my pan is already waiting for me. It's hot. So let's blend this up. That's all it takes. So now I have the batter for the French toast pancakes, which normally take fruit, but today I just don't want fruit. I'm just gonna have fruit in a different way. All right, that is it for the making that French toast pancake batter.